Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn a beautiful raga named Kaafi. So there are Kaafi Thaat also. So it is the parent raga of the Kaafi Thaat. Now let me tell you a brief introductions of Kaafi Rag. In this Kaafi Rag there are two Komal Swara, which is Komalga and Komalni, and all are Shuddha Swara. Sa, Re, Komalga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Komalni, and then Sa. This is the Arahan, and Avarahan is Sa, Komalni, Dha, Pa, Ma, Komalga, Re, Sa. So going time all the notes and coming time all the notes are touching. So that's the reason it's called Sampurna and Sampurna. This is the Jati of Kaafi. Now how to play Komalga? If you do not know, I will tell you. This is Sa, Re, Komalga is a half note of the Ga. Ga is open, half note is Komal. The Komal Swara, why it is called Komal? It is coming before that. On the respect to that, we are saying the Komal Swara. It's a Ga, Komal Ga. It's a before of Komal, or before of Shuddha Ga, that is called Komal Ga. And in this Raag Kaafi, if I am playing, this is the Arahan and Avarahan of Kaafi. The Vadi Swar of Kaafi Rag is Pancham, Pa, and Re and or Sa is called the Samvadi. So let me play the Kaafi Rag with a beautiful Alap. Let's see. I hope you understood Raag KAAFI. That much is for today. See you in another video. Bye bye.